What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to fix errors on ChatGPT. So basically, this one is pretty easy. So let's get it started. So first, ChatGPT errors occurs when the ChatGPT servers are overloaded. So people are using ChatGPT too much and the servers are going down. So that's it. That's the main reason of this problem. So the only way I think that can be done is to wait until the servers is okay, or you can just reset or reload your website. I think can work, so you can try it. But the main solution for this is to wait for like 10 to 20 minutes, and after that try if the chat gpt is working again, and that's it. Or the fastest way to solve this one is to upgrade to premium, and it will reduce some errors or most of the errors that can occur on ChatGPT. And that's it. That's how you solve this problem. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.